Audrey, where's Coach Roxanne?
And sprinkle.
Coach Roxanne.
Come on, Audrey, sprinkle your toes. We're sprinkling. Sprinkle the toes. Sprinkle. Sprinkle your toes. That's it. That's a good girl. That's how you do that. Now stretch up. Get some more stars. Come on, Zach. And down. And sprinkle the toes. Audrey, sprinkle. Audrey, sprinkle. Zach, sprinkle your toes. Sprinkle your toes up.
Audrey, you're running off.
Rafe, what are you doing? Rafe, stand up. Rafe, stand up. Okay,
Audrey,
Zach,
where's
come
Coach
back,
Roxanne?
come back.
Audrey, where's Coach Roxanne?
Come here, guys. Come over here. Good job. Awesome. Okay,
Audrey,
on your
stop.
knees. Come here, Audrey. Audrey, come here. Man, she's never running. No, Zach, come here. Zach, come here.
Rafe, you stay with Miss Roxanne.
Slide back. We're sliding. Sliding. Get your arms out. Sideways. Sideways. Come on, Audrey, slide. Slide.
Whoops.
Slide. Wheel.
I only know one gear.
Slide. Slide. That's it. You're doing it. Good. Yep. Yep. Pink toes. Okay, on the square. Come here, we're going to stretch now, Audrey. Come on. Come over here with me. And jump on the line. Come here, Audrey.
She might be doing better than if I were there.
Yeah, I think it's that leotard. Come here, baby. Come here, Audrey. Now see what we did. Go, Audrey. Aren't you like videoing this?
Well, because Daddy wants to see her in her Leo.
Come on, this way. Ready? Go. Run. Come on, Audrey. Good job.
Where are you going, Forrest?
Back here. Come on. Come here, Audrey. We're going to gallop now. We're galloping. That's it. Ready? Gallop, gallop, gallop.
Good girl, you almost got it.
Audrey.
Keep galloping. You're getting it. Yeah, you kind of know.
Gallop, gallop, gallop. Okay, let's try that again. Ready? Go. Gallop, 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 gallop. Okay. All right. We're going to do bear walks. Ready? Yes. Come on, Audrey. Bear walks. Audrey! Come back and do bear walks. Come on. Bear walks. Come on, Zach. Come on.
Straighten the neck.
Straight arms, straight legs. There you go. Come on your feet. On your feet.
Get your booty up.
On your feet. On your feet. Now keep going. Keep going. Keep going. There you go. And you put your feet down. On your feet. Now go. Go. Come on, come on. Ah, he got me. There it is. Good girl. Keep going. Yay. All right. Reef, what happened? The bear crashed. Yeah.
Okay, let's try again.
Hey, seat drop. Good job. Stay in the middle, Audrey.
You have to do chops.
Audrey, right in the circle. Oh, seat drop. Seat drop, Ray. Seat drop. Seat drop. Seat drop. 1, 2, 3. Seat drop. Sit down. Sit down. On your bottom. Hey. All right. Okay, Audrey. Go here, Audrey. Go get in the pit.